Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy secret pets in Bubblegum Simulator. To begin, prioritize hatching eggs from the newest worlds available in the game. These worlds often contain eggs with higher secret pet odds. Make sure to enable the auto hatch feature, which allows you to open eggs continuously without manual input. This significantly speeds up the process, letting you hatch hundreds, even thousands, of eggs in a short amount of time. Always keep a substantial amount of in-game currency ready for these purchases. To further boost your chances, always equip any available luck boosts or game passes. These can significantly multiply your odds of hatching a rare secret pet. Keep an eye out for special in-game events. They frequently introduce unique eggs or offer enhanced drop rates for a limited period. Sometimes, trading with other players can be a viable option if you are looking for a specific secret pet and have valuable items to offer in return. For efficient egg hatching, remember to rebirth frequently. Rebirthing unlocks access to newer worlds, which typically feature eggs with improved secret pet odds. Continuously collect all available bubbles and coins throughout the game to ensure you always have enough currency for egg purchases. It is often beneficial to focus your hatching efforts on one specific world at a time, allowing you to exhaust its egg options before moving on. This focused approach can yield better results. Once you start collecting secret pets, consider merging duplicates to create more powerful, shiny, or rainbow versions. These enhanced pets offer better stats and are highly sought after. Joining a dedicated Bubblegum Simulator community, such as on Discord, can provide valuable tips and strategies from experienced players. Remember, obtaining secret pets often requires a good deal of patience and persistence, so keep hatching and good luck with your collection.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.